Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand an important shift in India's legal history, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, or BNS 2023, represents a pivotal reform in India's criminal law. It replaces the 158-year-old Indian Penal Code. This new law introduces a modern, rational, and just legal framework. It is designed to effectively address today's societal challenges, including new forms of crime and the impact of technology. Over the key takeaways from BNS 2023. First, it marks the modernization of the IPC. The outdated code is being replaced with a more responsive criminal justice system. Second, it offers comprehensive coverage. The law now includes crimes like cybercrime, terrorism, and organized crime, areas the IPC did not adequately cover. Third, BNS introduces innovative punishments. It uses graded penalties, meaning punishments will vary based on how serious the crime is, moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach. The main objective of BNS 2023 is to modernize and rationalize India's criminal justice system. It aims to make the law clear, accessible, and responsive to modern-day needs. The legislation provides a robust legal framework to address the complexities of contemporary crimes, helping to build public trust in the justice system. There's a historical context regarding the BNS 2023 and the IPC. The Indian Penal Code, created in 1860 during British colonial rule, has finally been repealed. The transition to BNS 2023 marks a key moment in decolonizing India's legal structure. This reform reflects India's desire to develop a justice system suited to its unique socio-cultural and contemporary realities. BNS 2023 was enacted on 25 December 2023, officially replacing the IPC and launching a new era of justice delivery in India. Let us now discuss the key features of BNS 2023, starting off with coverage of offences. BNS 2023 expands the scope of criminal offences to include new age crimes. These include cyber offences, identity theft, and hate crimes. By updating definitions and recognizing newer forms of crime, the law creates a stronger legal framework that reflects today's realities. Now, on to the innovations in punishments. BNS brings in fairness and proportionality when it comes to punishment. It introduces graded penalties, so different crimes receive different levels of punishment depending on severity. There's also technology integration. Modern tools are being used in enforcement and monitoring, aiming to make the justice system more efficient and transparent. One major change is the reclassification of offences. This reformation makes legal procedures simpler. It helps both legal professionals and the general public understand and navigate the law more easily. This, in turn, promotes better compliance and smoother delivery of justice. BNS 2023 gives special emphasis to protecting women and children. It recognizes their vulnerability and introduces stricter penalties for crimes committed against them. The legislation also implements strong protective mechanisms to ensure the safety and dignity of these groups. To sum it up, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 represents a landmark transformation in India's criminal justice system. It replaces the outdated Indian Penal Code and introduces a legal framework that is more aligned with present-day challenges. With its comprehensive list of offences, progressive punishment schemes, and enhanced protections for vulnerable groups, BNS aims to build a more just society. However, the real test will lie in its implementation and how well it upholds human rights and improves law enforcement on the ground. We hope that you have understood the topic. To watch more videos and study effectively, Check out the Eduref app and website.